Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning mga ka-caregiver. Pauli ng bata, it's update today. So, it's Friday here. I just opened the weekend. So, I have to go. I just warm up the car. I'm inside of the car. Preparing. To go home mga loads. So hope everybody is okay. Sa tanang mga supporter ko, followers ko, thank you so much sa inyong tanan. Post lang ko bisag wala kay ko yung mga followers, viewers. Lipay naman ko, usay makatawa ko sa akong post, lingaw-lingaw ba, that's the part of our life, you know. Ana lang na mga loads. Hope okay lang mo tanan. To my mom, hope you are okay. To my son MJ in Australia, ayo mo na uban sa inyong mga kauban. Akong anak si Kobe, si Princess Zamboanga, ng asawa. Hope okay lang mo tanan. Anak yun ng life. Just be careful always. We don't know all the time. Ingat.